Hello y'all on YouTube, this is Rob with Rob's Nerdy Knives. Today we have a very special box, something coming in from, let's see if we can show this, Unlocked Composites. Been waiting for this for a little bit. This guy makes these awesome scales, carbon fiber scales. Now he's a one-man show, one-man machine, so it takes a while because he also gets some orders from some big ones. So I definitely am appreciative that these are even available for me to order. So let's see what we got here today. All right, so we got a little receipt. Make sure I take that off to the side. Yep, that's that one. And we have in here we have, your typical little things. So the question always becomes, is this 3D printed? And if you didn't know, this is a piece of carbon fiber. And these pivots and these points are on a milling machine so that they can be milled out. So let's take a look at this and I'll show you what I mean. These are definitely not, as we can see. Oh, I got a sticker. I didn't get a sticker from them before. Oh, he's got stickers. All right, this goes on the wall. Sorry, this is not a giveaway sticker because I've never gotten a sticker from him before. I'm super excited. But let me show you. You can see the milling that's going on here. And this is carbon fiber. You can see the beautiful lines in here and the reflection. And this is absolutely gorgeous carbon fiber. This is not necessarily twill, but it's definitely carbon fiber. So, and I don't know why, but you always get a wooden spork. So let's get into this. Now you're probably wondering, what are these carbon fiber scales for? Well, they might just be for my Lander 2. And sure enough, that's what they are. So let's put these guys on. I already have a milled deep pocket titanium clip that I've used on here, so that's cool. So let's install these puppies. Nice weight relief in the back. Yeah, look at that. So let's get my tools out. I always recommend some good tools. Don't get cheap on your tools. You need good tools. And I think these are T8s and T6s, so let's do that. So I think the clip in the back, that's the first thing we need to take off. Those are T6s, so let's see. Do I have my little, I usually have a little tool over here I can use to get in there. Okay, I must have moved it. There we go, okay. Oh, good. Good. I don't have a lanyard hole. Now you could make a lanyard hole so you can see that. You can make it left or right-handed. And it already is pre-drilled here, but not necessarily on the show side, which I love. Thank you. So let's get the other one off over here. Oh, those are T8s, because those are Civivi. Pretty sure those are T8s. Now that was an extra thing that I added. I got that off of Amazon. I'll probably try to put a link for it in the description below in case you guys are curious. I believe this is done by Kaiser, if I'm not mistaken. We'll see here in just a second, and I don't know if this is a captive pivot. I'm guessing it's not. It does save you some costs, though. Well, maybe it's a captive pivot on the inside with the scales. I don't know. We'll see. All right, so this comes, yeah, that's a Kaiser clutch lock. So Kaiser does this one. So this is the scale right here. And then we could put this one over here. So it's relatively easy to put on right away. You don't have to take everything else apart. That's one of those nice things about Landers and what Ben Peterson always likes to do. So you can replace your scales relatively easy. Now I did round these a bit because they were pretty rough. We may round these if we need them, so we'll see. Dead centered. Everything's good on here. I think I only need one screw over here. Doesn't matter which one does it. I don't think so. Oh, it is the T6 though. This is the honeycomb pattern. That's gonna look nice. I don't think that would fit all the way through with it. Nope. All right. Was I using the wrong screwdriver? I used the wrong bit. Yeah, it was. Yeah, that was my fault. No wonder why it wasn't turning. Gotta have the right bit in there. Now the only thing is you can see how this sticks out right here. It doesn't get close enough to the blade, but at some point I'd like to cut that off. I can use a Dremel to get rid of that. Oh yeah, look at that. That's really nice. Definitely carbon fiber. This is not 3D printed, I will tell you that. So I know there's somebody who watched the videos and you asked the question, is it 3D printed? I didn't think it would be, and I'm absolutely 100% confirmed it's not. Yeah, well, I mean, you don't 3D print something and then go mill it. There's no point in doing that. It's a whole waste. And 3D printing is not this strong. This is strong, really strong. And it's got a little substance to it, so really, really nice. Chamfered really nicely around the edges here. I mean, I could round this off just a bit more if I wanted to. I don't know if you see what I did here, how I rounded these corners over here. They were very sharp. So, but, oh yeah, that's really nice. Really nice. Yeah, I'm gonna dig that. That looks really gorgeous, especially with a nice titanium clip there. Beautiful. A honeycomb pattern. I think it's gonna look beautiful in the sun. I'll have to take a look at that. Okay, that makes this a really, really nice knife. Now I have a whole bunch in my collection. I did Unlocked Composites on the baby banter, but I don't carry that at all. I like it, but I don't know if I carry it. Put it up for sale. Every once in a while, I second guess myself if I want to sell it, but we'll see. Definitely like this one the best. This is more my size right here. I have a Lander, the first Lander, and it's a super souped up Lander. I'll show you. Let me grab it real quick. It's over here in the box. Yeah. Oops. So I had Unlocked Composite scales on it, but it was on another knife. I think I'm selling that one, but this is the Mars Valley carbon fiber, and I rounded these. This is from the Smoky Mountain Knife Works exclusive, but this is the Urban EDC M390 exclusive Lander. But the action on this is ridiculous because you can put caged ball bearings on this. And I did that on this one. This one has skiffs on here as well. So that's really nice. That makes a world of difference to put skiffs on there. So you can see that action on here. It's really nice. No blade play, super solid. And this is about as small as I can do right here. I mean, you're right at the, this is like definitely a fifth pocket sort of small knife, for sure. But this is a little more comfortable right here. This is the size of Lander that I would prefer. It'd be nice if they made a liner lock version this size too. That would be cool, I think. Yeah, definitely like this a lot. Very, very cool. I didn't do the black on here. I mean, this looks nice. It's kind of gray, kind of offsets it a little bit. I might actually get a black one and put this on another knife. We'll see. So I have the same one as that's on here, as you can tell. That looks better on this one, and I do like this one a lot. Don't get me wrong, I do. This is nice too, though. Action's really good. Really cool. Yeah, there you go. There is the Unlocked Composite scale. So if you're curious about Unlocked Composite scales, check out the little barcode there. Definitely, for sure. Unlocked Composites right here. Definitely give them a shout out, a ring. Check out their website. I'll have a link down below. Definitely recommend them. I've put Unlocked on a lot of different things. They even have stuff for Benchmades. I haven't checked out their Benchmade stuff. Haven't done a carbon fiber in Benchmade. Maybe I ought to consider that at some point, right? That would be fun. So, sorry, my hand's a little tired from everything I was doing. Very cool. Definitely like that a lot. Let me put my tools away. I should, to be safe, put this away. I don't know, does this screw in here at all? Is that? No, it doesn't. Okay. So, I can just keep it together in the bag. This will go into my box for my Lander 2. That way I can keep it together. But I think that's stinking cool. That's pretty nice. You can definitely see this is the much larger Lander. Of course, the liner lock is the first one. There's a Lander 3 now that's got the clutch lock too. I haven't really wanted to get a smaller one, so that one didn't really appeal to me. I mean, if my wife liked this knife, I could get her that, but this is about my size right here. Now, Ben Peterson has a finger rule, and I guess that follows my finger rule. So this would be a good size knife right here. This would be almost too small. I feel like this is too small. And I want to make sure I can get a good grip on here, a good presentation, so my hand's not super tight, choked up there. So anyways, yeah, I dig this. I dig this a lot. I don't know if you can see that. Let's take a nice close look here. So there's the regular blade as you saw, but here are the scales with that honeycomb pattern. I'll go over here. You can see that on the inside. Weight relief that's already there on the originals. And there's with the clip. That works really nicely. Now it does stick in. You can see the screw right there a little bit. I do want to file that off a little bit. I will do that eventually. But action's really nice. Action's really nice. You can see it's nice and dead centered. Opens up really well. Drops really well. Let's do that again. See that? So pretty cool. Get a nice close look up for maybe a little picture for the video. See what y'all think. I think that's pretty nice. The honeycomb pattern is really cool. I do dig that honeycomb pattern. I wasn't sure if it's going to be functional or nicer looking, because sometimes that's just for aesthetics, but it gives you texture, but it's not aggressively weird texture. It's not super sharp, so it's going to go in and out of the pocket really nicely, I think. So that's cool. I do like that. No blade play, nice and solid. That's definitely very cool. Easy to flick out, and I have bonus middle finger reverse flick on this knife. And being it's a crossbar lock, it's easy to do both ways. So you get bonus flicks. You get the thumb studs, the reverse thumb studs. You get well, this is the not able lock, not crossbar, not axis, clutch lock. The clutch lock allows you to do that. Matter of fact, I got to interview Kaiser, one of the representatives at Blade Show. They've got some cool stuff coming out. Kaiser's doing a bang-up job. Really are. Really are. I got to check out more of their stuff. I forget that I like the aesthetic of a lot of their knives. I've forgotten that. I kind of get some of them mixed up. There's a couple of them that have only a few things that I like, and there's some that have a lot of things I like. And Kaiser's one of those guys that I'm really digging their stuff, and they did a great job on Ben Peterson's Lander too. Really nice. I love the clutch lock, and this one, as you saw, I tightened mine all the way up to the max. Gives me a nice pop. Nice pop. You see it's nice and tight. Feels like a good deployment. I do dig that a lot. So very cool. That is the Lander 2. Yeah, and I'm just tossing my Lander like whatever. But no, I mean this is a user knife, absolutely a user knife now. But it also looks really nice. I dig that. So very cool. Hey, if you have any questions about this, let me know. I'll probably do a review on the scales. I don't think I've done a review on this one yet. Yeah, I don't think I have. I think this is one of those. I'll have to go look. Definitely want to review the scales because these are cool. These are cool. This is a different type of scale for me. But I do dig these a lot. So very cool. All right. Hey, if you found this content fun, interesting, worthwhile, or entertaining, would you please consider hitting the like button down below? And if you've already hit that like button, thank you. But if you've already hit that like button, maybe consider hitting the subscribe button as well. Subscribing and liking the videos really helps out the channel, allows the channel to produce more content, do more things, ultimately do more things for you guys. So thank you. Thank you to every one of you guys who watch the videos, who like the videos, who enjoy the videos, and then who subscribe. I very much appreciate every one of you guys out there. Thank you, thank you, thank you. If you haven't already, maybe consider hitting that notification button as well so you can be notified of future content like this video. And to all my channel members, a big, huge thank you for being channel members. I am very humbled and very appreciative of you guys. You allow the channel to do so much more than it really could ever have done at this time. So I am forever grateful to you guys. Some of you have been here since the very beginning. Some joined along the way. Some of you joined recently. Thank you. Thank you to every one of you guys. As a small way for me to say thank you to channel members, I do a once a month channel members exclusive giveaway. Not just a little budget knife, but usually a very nice knife because the memberships have been so generous. And I want to make sure I show my appreciation by doing something nice back for you guys. Just so you know, any money I make off of this channel, it all goes back to the channel. For the knives, for the giveaways, for the shipping of different things. So thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate you guys. If you've been on the fence and you thought, hey, I'd like to become a channel member, I would love to have you as a channel member. I'd be honored, really would. But don't ever feel obligated. If you want to just continue to watch the content, enjoy the live streams, I'm grateful. I am absolutely grateful. I don't ever want you to feel obligated. But if you do want to become a channel member, either because you want to do the giveaways or you know, new channel members get a sticker, get the exclusive sticker, you get not exclusive sticker, but you get a sticker. If you're knife nerds, if you're a knife nerd, an Uber nerd, sorry, if you're an Uber nerd, you get an Uber nerd sticker. That's an exclusive one. So if you do become that, let me know if you haven't already got one. But all new channel members or channel members who've been channel members for a while, you also get a sticker. Especially if you haven't emailed me or you haven't asked for a sticker before and I haven't sent you a sticker, you absolutely get a sticker, right? So email me with your name and address so I can mail you that. Especially if you're just became a channel member or been a channel member for a while and you're a channel member right now. So just want you to know that. So that's another small way for me to say thank you. But again, I'm just forever grateful and appreciative of you guys. So thank you. If you also haven't checked me out over on Instagram, you can at Robs_nerdy_knives. Again, that's on Instagram at Robs_nerdy_knives. Thanks so much for watching today. Have a great day and a great week. Bye.